Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure segment to route leads into HubSpot CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your segment account. Navigate to the sources section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Source to create a new source for your lead tracking. Choose the appropriate source type that suits your needs, such as a website or mobile app. Once selected, provide a name for the source that reflects its function. Click on Add Source to confirm the creation. Next, navigate to the Destinations section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Destination to integrate HubSpot CRM. Search for HubSpot in the destination library and select it. Click on Connect to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials and grant segment permission to access your account. Once connected, you will see configuration options for mapping lead data. Locate the Fields section to define which data points will sync from segment to HubSpot. Map lead attributes such as email, first name, last name, and any custom fields you may have. Save your mappings to ensure that all necessary data transfers smoothly. Configure any further settings based on your lead tracking needs, such as triggers for when leads should be sent to HubSpot. Test the setup by sending a test lead from segment. Verify that the lead appears correctly in your HubSpot CRM. Check the Activity section in HubSpot to see if all data fields populated correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary based on the test results. Once confirmed, your segment account is now successfully configured to route leads into HubSpot CRM. Monitor your leads regularly to ensure the integration continues to work seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.